All right, my friends, welcome back to Flip the Script. Today we're going to talk about flipping the script to positive actions. And how do we do that? Well, my friends, we're going to get out of our comfort zone. Comfort zone, you say, what does he mean by that? We're going to start doing things that are a little bit different. So we're going to flip the script with positive actions. So we're going to do things that maybe we never thought of doing before, maybe we've done before, but guess what? We're going to do more of that. So when we get out of the car to rush into a restaurant, maybe another couple's getting out and you see there's a line, people waiting to sign up, we're going to get out of the car. We're going to go open up the door for them, let them go in ahead of us. Do you know why? Because that's a positive action. You're putting somebody before you. Is that a good thing to do? Yes, it's a good thing to do. The Bible says the first shall be last, the last shall be first. Humble yourself therefore in front of the Lord. He's going to lift you up. When you humble yourself, the Lord's going to lift you up. So we're going to start doing things that are positive. If you're not given to your local church, you should be tithing, my friends. Pray about it. Ask the Lord what He would have you to give, because maybe starting out for you, if you don't understand tithing, maybe you're not giving anything to your local church. But those are all positive actions, because you should be giving money back. The Lord blesses you. Everything that you have because of God. So you should be giving it back. But you want to start being positive on all things that you're doing. Look for ways that you can help somebody. If you run into somebody and they say they don't feel good, don't say, I'm sorry to hear that. Say, hey, I'm really sorry to hear that. Can I pray for you? But don't just say you're sorry to hear that and they just walk away. Spend some time, invest into that total stranger that you don't know with positive actions. When you pray for somebody, my friends, how much more positive can you be for somebody than to pray for that person? Or you get home and you know somebody's dealing with something at work, and you get home and you talk with your spouse, you say, you know what? We need to write this down. We need to pray for Paul or Bill or whoever that is. You're going to start committing positive actions. So that means physically, you're going to start looking at ways to make sure that you can take care of yourself, because that's so important. We're flipping the script all over. If you're underweight, but you're too skinny, you got to eat healthier. You don't want to do that. You want to eat. If you're overweight, then you got to kind of watch what you're eating, right? But you got to make a determination today, my friends, to flip that script with action, positive action. So anything, and you can make a list, anything that you can think about, my friends, that's going to be positive, you need to do, because that will help you mentally, it will help you physically to flip that script. And I want to make sure that you become all you can be through Jesus Christ. And you can if you flip the script. So if you're a person that generally doesn't think positive, doesn't speak positive, doesn't do things from a positive standpoint that benefits their health physically, spiritually, and mentally, today is the first step towards flipping that script, my friends. I know that you want to see a better you. I know when you go and you look in the mirror, you want to see that person looking back at yourself and say, hey, that's the person that I've always wanted to be. Pray about it. Ask the Lord to help you to see the things, my friends, that you need to change in your life, verbally, mentally, and physically. And then you're going to be able to flip that script, my friends. On that note, I hope this series has served you well, and I hope that you're benefiting from this. And we're going to see you next time. And all that you do, stay fit, stay blessed, and yes, my friends, flip that script. I'll see you next time.